Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You want to start now. Place a dry stainless steel pan over medium heat and let it warm for about 1 to 2 minutes so the metal reaches an even temperature. Once done, sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon of water in the center. The drops will either skate, bead, or evaporate depending on temperature. You're doing this to judge surface tension and heat level. The behavior of the beads tells you if the pan is ready for oil or for direct searing. Once you see how the beads act, interpret what they mean. If the drops skate and form tight spheres that move around, your pan is roughly 120 to 140 degrees Celsius and ready for oil and a quick sear. If droplets sputter or instantly evaporate, the pan is too hot. Remove it briefly to cool and lower heat to avoid burning. If the drops flatten and cling, you need more heat. Give it another 30 to 60 seconds and test again. You'll add oil only after the bead test confirms the right temperature so the oil heats immediately and forms a protective layer. Wait until the oil shimmers but does not smoke. Once shimmering, add your food in a single layer and don't crowd the pan so heat stays consistent and you get a proper sear. If food sticks, lower the heat and give it a minute. When it releases, flip. If it still sticks, deglaze with liquid to lift fond and prevent tearing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.